Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall Apache Tomcat and clean web apps, complete guide step by step clearly. To uninstall Apache Tomcat, first, make sure to stop the Tomcat service. Open a terminal or command prompt window. If you are running it as a service, use the appropriate command to stop it. For Windows, type netstop tomcat and hit enter. For Linux, type sudo system to stop tomcat and hit enter. Next, navigate to the installation directory of Apache Tomcat. This is usually found in /program files /Apache Software Foundation /Apache Tomcat on Windows. On Linux, it may be in /usr/local/tomcat or /op/tomcat. Once in the installation directory, locate the bin folder. Now, look for the uninstall script. For Windows, double-click on uninstall.exe. For Linux, run the command sudo/uninstall.sh in the terminal. Follow the prompts provided by the uninstall wizard. Once uninstallation is complete, it's time to remove any remaining web apps. Navigate to the web apps directory within your Tomcat installation folder. Delete any folders or files associated with your web applications. This step ensures a clean removal of all web apps. Next, go to the logs folder within the Tomcat directory. Delete any log files to free up space. Then, check for a CONF folder in the Tomcat directory. If you have made custom configurations, you might want to backup or remove this folder. Finally, clear the temp directory in the Tomcat installation folder. This step deletes temporary files that may still exist. Now you have successfully uninstalled Apache Tomcat and cleaned up the web apps. Always ensure that you take a backup before uninstalling any software in case you need to restore it later. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.